Hi, this is my review of the Monopoly Gamer Overwatch Collector's Edition board game. If you're a Monopoly fan and you do like Overwatch like me, this is a very cool Collector's Edition board game to get. Has some of the characters, Tracer, a bunch of others here. So that you can check out. Take this off. So this is how it would look. Open this up. Okay, and these are the cards that it comes with. Okay, Soldier 76, Lucio, Reinhardt, all the characters from the original. We're talking Overwatch 1, not Overwatch 2. So these are just like the OG characters. You can see each of the cards, they do have different abilities. Just like that. Move the cards out of the way so you can see the rest of it. These are the characters, they have Diva and Favorite. So the pieces look very nice, very detailed. They don't look kind of cheesy. So very nicely done. You can see all the other ones. So let's see, show you everybody. So these are also little pieces that you would use on the board game. These are the dice. And let me show you, for the sake of time, the back, so you can see how the board looks. So it looks like that. Those are the cards and the characters. So it looks like a standard Monopoly board, except it's like the Overwatch edition. So definitely something you'd want to check out if you're a fan, and hope this review was helpful.